In this video, I will show how you can get a discount on Hostinger's every single purchase without wasting your time looking for discount codes in YouTube videos or different websites. This method will always work and you will never need to watch any other video again. To use this method, we will need a different browser called Comet made by Perplexity AI. If you don't know about Comet browser, then you can watch my previous videos. I will link them in the description. For now, you can just use the first link in the description and download the Comet browser and create an account there. After creating an account, you will see an interface like this. It is similar to other browsers. Just search Hostinger and open the website. You can see I am in Hostinger's pricing page. Here, you can select the hosting type and length of subscription. I will keep these to their default selection and select the business plan because it is the most popular. On the payment page, you can see the total price is 191 euros and there is an option to enter a coupon code here. Now, what people usually do is watch multiple YouTube videos or scroll multiple websites to find this discount code. But with Perplexity Comet, you don't need to do any of that. AI will do the scrolling for you. Click here on Assistant and a side panel will open. Enter a prompt here saying, find discounts to apply on this Hostinger checkout page. Take control of the browser, test every discount code and apply the one that works. Click here or just hit enter on your keyboard. You can see our web page has this blue outline now, which simply means Comet has taken control of our browser and will start finding codes and test them one by one. On the right side, you can read what the AI is doing in real time. Now, if you want to directly skip to the part where we have our discount applied, you can skip to this timestamp. But I want to show you how Comet works in real time. You can see Comet has now opened Google Chrome and is looking for Hostinger discount codes 2025. On the right, you can see it has found some codes and here it is looking at this website right now. After finding some discount codes, Comet has again opened the Hostinger's payment page and it is testing the codes right now. You can see Comet has again opened Chrome, which means the previous codes did not work. It found some codes again and now it will test them. You can see a coupon code has worked and the total price is 172 euros right now. But Comet hasn't stopped working. It is trying to find more codes so that you can get even higher discount. Now, if you are satisfied with this 19 euros discount, you can click here on pause Comet Assistant and it will stop looking for more codes. But if you think you can get even more discount, you can wait and watch. What I have observed is that in most cases, you should stop after getting your first discount because I did not get a better discount. However, for the purpose of this video, I allowed Comet to look for more discount and it took about 6 to 7 minutes and it finally stopped. At the end, our final price is reduced to 172 euros and if you remember, our original price was 191 euros. Also, on the right, you can see these multiple codes that work and all of them offer the same 10% discount. So, this was how you can get a discount on Hostinger's every single purchase without wasting time looking for discount codes on YouTube or different websites. If you want a detailed tutorial on Perplexity's Comet browser or how you can build a website for free using Wix, then you can check these videos right here. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.